The last 2 years have been tough for everyone, but thanks to your determination, your innovation, and your sacrifice, we now have the opportunity to rebuild and reimagine the tourism industry in Ontario. Tourism in Ontario is a $36 billion industry, employing over 500,000 Ontarians and an integral part of both our urban and rural economies. And prior to the pandemic, tourism in Ontario was growing, breaking visitor records year after year. But it was no surprise that an industry built on bringing people together, sharing new experiences, and traveling near and far has been one of the hardest hit sectors of our economy. We know that reopening doesn't mean recovery for the tourism industry, and that the speed of our recovery will be determined by our ability to answer the challenges that we still face. We need to remove obstacles to travel. We need to create the tax and regulatory environment for our businesses to thrive. We need to answer our labour crisis, and we need to address the key financial challenges that our businesses still face, such as debt. On June 2nd, Ontario is electing a new government, and you've probably already had candidates vying for your vote and knocking on your door. Our message to all candidates is a simple one. Our recovery is far from assured, and we're going to need the support of all MPPs and all parties to help us to recover. So in this election, whomever you vote for, let's make sure that the tourism industry is part of the conversation. Help us by visiting our non-partisan website, ontarioneedstourism.ca, and use our election tools to write to candidates in your local riding and share with them Tayo's key recommendations on how to support the tourism industry. Help us by setting up meetings with candidates in your local riding. Share our key messaging and images on social media using the hashtag OntarioNeedsTourism. We know there can't be an economic recovery in Ontario without the tourism industry. But more than that, we know how integral tourism is to protecting our key heritage sites, our culture, and in sustaining the fabric of our communities. Ontario needs tourism. Thank you for your support.